In my hand is the Huawei Nova 16 Ultra that was just released, and we are unboxing it right away. On the surface of the box, we still have the very familiar Kunlun glass and Harmony OS. Moving to the back, as you can see, it does not have a quick release port. Let's take a peek. The color we have here is called Clear Sky Blue, and it is a satellite mobile terminal. Wow, this blue feels very summery. Looking at the front, wow, it is glossy glass. It looks like SpongeBob. No, the more I look at it, the more it really does. Let's keep looking. Let's check the accessories. Just as I thought, it's a transparent case, a hard plastic one. Never mind, such a mini charging brick. And it's a Type-C port. No joke, look at this 100-watt Huawei USB-C charging brick. It is so small. Sometimes smaller things are actually quite nice. I really do like this. The charger gets a thumbs up. Back to the point. Let us look at the phone. Anyway, that SpongeBob image is stuck in my head and I just cannot shake it. Now, pay attention to the top. There is a cute big eye here. Or rather, it continues the Oreo dual ring design from the previous generation. Let me get closer so you can see it. It's even cuter. The difference is that it uses an integrated vegan leather back. What do I mean by integrated vegan leather? Let me show you from the side. See that? It features a volcano-style bump, and the bottom half is a glazed glass. That is right. This generation of Nova 16 Ultra uses a dual material back panel design. You will notice there is a silver decorative line here, but note that when you touch it, you can only feel the transition between the glass and the vegan leather. You cannot feel the decorative line itself. The reason is likely that it's printed underneath the glass. Honestly, I think this generation looks quite good. It's very stylish, especially this color. I don't think there's any issue with calling it Tiffany blue. Right, have you noticed the side frame? And it matches the color of the back panel. Inside the two rings, there's a 200 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, an ultra wide angle lens, and an infrared color sensor. They are all RYYB, which is just insane. Next, let us weigh this phone. You should know that this product comes with a 7,000 milliampere battery, 100 watt wired, and 50 watt wireless charging at 222.9 grams. Note that it comes with the original screen protector pre-applied. Looking from the side, the metal frame is actually quite thin and the power button integrates a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Yes, it is a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Next, let's use the side fingerprint scanner to wake up the front screen. As you can see, it is a flat display with large rounded corners. The screen resolution is 2856 by 1320, and of course it is a 120 Hz display. Let me get closer so you can see the screen bezel width. It is not exceptionally narrow, but it is well controlled, which I think fits the Nova positioning. As for the processor, it is the Kirin 9010S, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. The version we have here is the 512 gigabyte model.
As for network connectivity, it has Tiantong, Beidou, and 5G, the usual tradition, so we won't go into detail. This is just a quick unboxing since we just got the phone, so we'll cover more details during our live stream. Bye bye.